The real wood look of our Alpha Systems polypropylene shutters enhances your home's appearance. Our shutters feature deeply embossed wood grain texture and unique styling to grace the exterior of any house. Copolymer resins have 100% color throughout, so you don't need to worry about discoloration, nicks, or scratches. Unlike wood or metal, our shutters won't crack, dent, or absorb any moisture that can lead to warping. Your shutter package will include shutter plugs. Screws with decorative caps are also included, but most people prefer the shutter plugs. They can be used for most materials such as siding or masonry. Take nothing for granted and always work safely. When drilling holes for shutter plugs and screws, first consider where the hole will go into the wall. Then just mount the shutter on center and in four corners. When mounting 51-inch or longer shutters, use 6 plugs or screws. Do not overdrive the screws into the shutter. Just enough until it's nice and snug and call the job done. When using plugs, have your 1/4-inch drill bit and drill ready to use. Do not overhammer the shutter plugs, just enough until it's nice and snug and call the job done.